I just took this photo on my phone and Gemini turned it into this in just 20 seconds. Google just dropped a massive upgrade to its image generation inside the Gemini app. And honestly, for anyone who's running a business, creating content, this is an absolute game changer. This is Nano Banana 2. Well, it's called Gemini 3.0 Flash Image, but it's not really catchy. It's now the default model, so you don't need to change any settings. You've already got it. The quality is near pro level. It's fast and it can now do things like accurate text on images, no more frustrations, and follow complex prompts properly. And I've tested it on 4 real business use cases, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get the best out of this new model. Let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is head over to gemini.google.com. Once we're here, we've got 2 ways to access the new model. We can click on Create Image here, and you've already got a range of templates that you could already use. And you could also go down to, if I just click off here, you can go down to Tools and then select Image. Now, I'm going to upload the image I took from before. So to do that, I click on the plus icon, upload files, and then select the image that I want. Now, for this demo, I'm not going to use any of the templates here because I've got a prompt and I want something specific. So I'm going to paste this prompt in. And this is actually taking this picture and turning it into a nice profile pic that I could use on LinkedIn. So I've done that, I've got my prompt, and I'm going to simply just hit submit. And as you can see, it's loading Nano Banana 2. And there we go. Here's my professional LinkedIn shot, and it did it in just about 20 seconds. It's kept the hoodie there, it's improved the lighting, and my features are still the same as well. As handsome as ever. I joke. Right, now that we've got our headshot, let's think about what else we could do. We need some images or graphics for social media to promote my services as consulting. So we've got our LinkedIn photo, but now let's think about promoting our services on LinkedIn or Instagram. I want to create a graphic that can be used for consulting. And we're going to use this use case because, as I mentioned, there's a massive improvement on the text. So I'm going to click on Start New Chat. Click on here, I can start a new chat. And I'm not going to upload any images here. I'm just going to paste in this prompt, which is I'm asking Gemini to create a social media post for a UK-based consultancy, blah, 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 blah. Now, just bear in mind, I haven't given it any of my color palettes or anything like that. So it's going to be random what I get back. But when you are doing this, think about putting those details in. What are your color palettes? What fonts you like, etc. But let's just hit submit. And let's see what it generates. There we go. It's created a nice graphic for me to post on social media. It's listened to what I said in terms of it being a navy blue background, and text looks really good. Happy with that. So I've got a headshot. Now I've got a social media graphic. What about if I wanted to do something in a bit more detail? I wanted to maybe do an infographic walking through my process when I consult with new clients. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start a new chat, and then I'm just going to get the prompt that I've created earlier, and I'm just going to paste that in. So I've said create a professional infographic for a UK-based consultancy, keeping the same name there, about our 4-step process. Again, I just make sure I selected the image there, and then I hit submit. While that's running, you will notice that on the second use case, I didn't actually click on create image. But with some of the prompting and the detail I give it, Gemini would be clever enough to go, actually, he wants an image to be created. And there we go. I've got a nice infographic now that I could share on LinkedIn as well, talking about our 4-step process. Let's move on to the next one. So let's go and look at use case number 4. Thinking about it, I don't really think that image is professional, and I wouldn't put that on LinkedIn because I'm in a hoodie. So what I'm going to do is go and find that image that I had taken earlier, and let's go to this one. And this time I'm just going to actually reprompt it to get it to generate it again, but I'm going to add this in. So change this person's hoodie to a smart navy blazer with a white shirt underneath, and making sure I'm saying keeping the appearance the same. Don't change it, the pose or anything like that. Let's see what this does now by hitting submit. And there we go. We've been able to change my outfit by just prompting, and it's kept it really consistent. Like I said, this is about being a human in a loop. It won't get it right the first time. Always think of it as the first draft. Go back and re-prompt as well. But I'm really happy with the quality of what that's done by using Nano Banana 2. So there you go, 4 practical ways you can use Gemini's new image generation for your business right now. Your personal brand photo, social media graphics, infographics, and editing existing images, all inside the app. Now remember, it's not going to be perfect every single time. You are still the creative director. So check the output, tweak the prompt. If you're not getting what you really want, make it truly yours. But the fact that you can go from taking a basic picture on your phone and turning that into a professional headshot in just 20 seconds is great, right? If you got value from this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I've got more videos coming your way on how to use Gemini and Google Workspace for your business. See you on the next one.